Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and on this episode, I've got to go help a customer. All I know is they said they needed a fuel pump replaced. So I've got the new fuel pump already. Let's head across town and see what exactly is going on. It's always a little weird when I don't do the diagnosis, but I just give them the price for what it's going to cost to replace the part. I'll try and talk to them a little bit when we get there and make sure we're headed in the right direction. If not, then I'll just offer a diagnosis first. Okay, so pretty straightforward. I was wondering how they knew it was the fuel pump. And they said it only turns on when the tank is all the way full and when somebody's underneath pounding on it. So it definitely sounds like a fuel pump. And I'm going to check out this Andeman 4000 amp jump starter today. This is the biggest jump starter I've ever had. 88.8 watt hours. This thing's huge. So I'm going to unbox that probably once we get started in here. I'm going to use that to start it when we're done. Okay, I'm just trying to get set up back here. Oh, I might be able to get that to work actually. I was gonna say these controls are broken. But not like that. That'll give me a lot more room to get that seat out back there because I'm gonna have to remove it. All right, let's release this. I'm going to, I'm taking one of these seats out right here. Wow. Oh, nice. Rolls. Not far enough. Yeah, I think I've got to take the bolts out. I'm taking one of these out. Now that I'm looking at it, it's the way it's sliding like this. All right, so I've got to get these two bolts up and then two on the front and the seat. I'm just going to slide into the back here. There's plenty of room. And while I do that, let me go ahead and unbox this so I can throw it on the charger while I'm finishing up. So when it comes to this jump starter, they normally come in specifications of like how many liters a gasoline versus diesel engine a jump starter will start. This one doesn't even specify gasoline engines because it will start all gasoline engines. There's no limit. This thing has a ton of output. Great, it comes with a case. And here's what it looks like. It's got a boost button. That's exactly what you need. This might be my new favorite. I'm trying to loosen this bolt. It's like halfway out, but it's really stiff, so looks like it's been cross-threaded in before. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it out with an impact. And nothing to do but take a look at it. Doesn't look terrible. I mean, it doesn't look cross-threaded. Maybe just rusty. That'd be nice. All right, gotta do the front too. Okay. 15, 20 minutes, seat's ready to come out. All right, and you can tell the fuel pump hasn't been replaced before because the carpet's still intact. It's got this perforation for you to open whenever you gotta do the fuel pump. So let's go ahead and get that open. Okay, so I've just cleaned this up. It doesn't have to be super clean because the top of that ring just comes up to right here. It's not like some fuel pumps where everything falls down to the bottom. Rather, this kind of slides into the hole. You'll see when I pull it out, we've got to disconnect these two, and that's it. Things still spin out fuel. There we go. All right, that seat tightened down way better than it came out. It didn't cross thread or feel tight like it did coming out. Everything went back together pretty quick. And this should start. Oh, I'm gonna need that jump box. Nothing. All right, I just got this thing charged up to 100%. This will get it started, no problem. And there we go. Perfect. So if you want one of these massive Andeman 4000 amp jump starters, make sure you check out the link in the description, the pinned comment, for an extra good deal. Thanks for watching. That video was great. If you like this, make sure that you're subscribed. You can help out by donating at the links in the description or leaving a nice comment. Check out the next video right here. I'll see you there. That's a job well done.